Everyone, it's Thursday, April 17th. Just closed the deal for an investor, home run of a deal. House previously sold in 2021 for $421,000. We just bought it today for net 362. It was owned by an investor. House was vacant. They had to sell it. I had them put a brand new roof on it. The inspection came out flawless. Great neighborhood, good school district. The house it was appraised, and by the way, they didn't even use my lender. They went through a credit union they knew, and their appraisal showed $48,000 of free equity at close. House appraised for 410. They bought it for 362. That's a home run of a deal. That's what's possible right now because there's so many sellers out there who couldn't sell last year, so they're trying this year. The problem is all the buyers are waiting for the rates to drop at the end of the year. Huge opportunity right now. So, by the way, this house previously rented for $3,500 by this investor 2 years ago. So the cash flow out of this house is about $600, $700 a month after my investor's down payment. So even at $600, that's $7,200 per year just on positive cash flow. They put down about $75,000. So just the positive cash flow, they're getting 10% cash on cash return, plus mortgage pay down, plus price appreciation, absolute home run of a deal, and a little $48,000 of free equity at close. That's what's possible now. If everyone waits until the rates drop, it's going to be bad. So what I tell everyone is buy now. The state of Texas allows buyers a very unique privilege, which if you refinance in the first 4 years of ownership, your title policy, because it's a new closing, your title policy is half price. Since you skip a payment anyway on a refinance, from a cash flow perspective, month to month, it doesn't cost you anything. Or you could do what everyone else is doing, wait for the rates to drop, and go back into the bidding wars. And by the way, you won't be walking into $48,000 like my client did this afternoon. Give me a call. Again, it's Rick Baker with Coldwell Banker, 972-836-8880. My website is that's my email, rick@getarealrealtor.com. My real estate website is getarealrealtor.com. And if you're thinking of selling, look at this investor. This was a institutional Wall Street investor that owned it. Just a bad timing. And the house sat for months. They did price drop after price drop, and they couldn't sell it. And here we are. Selling now because it's all based on how many buyers there are and how many sellers there are. Spring, a lot of inventory comes on every year. It's cyclical, but all the buyers are staying home. So that's how my client was able to get a $48,000 net worth increase this morning. So, but if you're thinking of selling, go to my other website, neversellyourhome.com. And if you're still thinking about it after you read those little facts, give me a call and I'll talk you out of selling. 972-836-8880. And as Coldwell Banker says, who you work with matters.